He's probably grey by now, isn't he, Chewbacca? Who knows? How long did Chewbacca live for?
I don't know.
I will have to Google it.
Well, I got Grogu here.
Who's Grogu?
Grogu is from the Mandalorian. He's otherwise known as Baby Yoda, although I don't think he's related.
Not related.
No. He still looks like a baby, but I think he's 80 years old.
It happens.
That's right.
When I'm 80, it's probable that I'll be wearing diapers again.
It's a pretty good chance, and I'll be doing that too. But you got here, this is a Bandai kit.
Bandai!
Yep.
Does that mean no paint, no glow?
That's right, pre-coloured. And you actually get 2 different Grogus in this kit. There's a big one. Just, I don't know, I can't tell if he's standing or sitting. He's always a little short. And then there's a smaller version, which is in his little crib, his little cot thing. You can see them here. Oh, top camera?
No. No top camera for you. What have you done here? There you go. You're in. You're in the little box in the corner.
Ready?
Put you in the box.
There's Grogu.
Wait, there he is live action.
There he is. That's in the series.
That's when.
And there's the 2 you get in here.
Caught him in the wild.
Quarter scale and 12 scale.
Quarter scale. Quarter scale.
Quarter scale. So it's big. And the 12 scale one is in that scale because if you put it together with the Mandalorian, then the Mandalorian will stand next to him and be the correct size. But he's all jointed too. Not a lot of joints, and he's got different heads. So here he's doing the
Do it again.
And here he's doing the I'm hungry. And then here he's doing the thank you for the frog.
A what? A frog?
Chewing the frog. Haven't you seen it? It's pretty funny. He's told to stay away from him because these are like the last offspring, and he's just like chewing them all up. He's just eating them all.
Really?
Yeah. So that is Mandalorian. He's a bit furry, isn't he?
You're a bit tight, mate.
Am I too tight? Oh, this one fits better.
Does it?
That's Grogu.
So it's Star Wars Day tomorrow.
Star Wars Day, May the 4th. May the 4th be with you.
I see what you did there.
I didn't make it up. Sounds good though.
Yeah.
So there you go. Grogu.
I'm very narrow-minded in my opinions of Star Wars.